Hello friends, what will happen if I will put eggshell in different kind of acid? I can hear some effervescent sound, and now you can see some gas is evolving in hydrochloric acid. Means something is reacting. What kind of reaction is going in this hydrochloric acid? So friends, we know that eggshells are made up of calcium carbonate. When calcium carbonate react with hydrochloric acid, it gives you calcium chloride, carbon dioxide and water. So we know that carbon dioxide is a gas. So in our reaction, the gas coming out is carbon dioxide, and we know that carbon dioxide is a fire extinguisher. So we will perform this experiment also. So now if I will take my camera near to this, I can see carbon dioxide gas is coming out from hydrochloric acid. Well, this gas is not coming out from acetic acid, and there is some mild effervescence in sulfuric acid. Now I will see what will happen if I will take fire near to this. Now after 10 minutes I can see hydrochloric acid completely dissolved the eggshell, while there is little amount present in sulfuric acid, and acetic acid didn't put much effect on eggshell. Hello friends, please like and share this video and subscribe my channel for more chemistry experiment. Thank you for watching this video.